So these are the coins that have not been doing well for some hours. Now going to this place, you see choose market. Maybe there is a particular market you want to analyze. To understand this, I still encourage you to go back to the other video I did about Binance app. I explained in details more. So these are the various markets available. Maybe you want to trade fiat markets. You just click on it. You will see before what we had was errand BTC. Now what we have is errand USDT. So what it means that each of these coins will now be paired with BTC because the market we are trading is a different market. Initially we had what we were looking at was BTC market, but now we just looked at fiat market. Okay, so that is that for it. Now I said that the purpose of this video is to guide you on what coin to trade. Now the question is, how do you know which coin to trade? When you come to these gainers, they have shown you the coins that have been performing very well all along. Now you go to click on more, go to more now. Okay, when you click on more, still select the very market you want to trade on. Are you trading BNB market? Are you trading BTC? Are you trading alt market? Are you trading fiat market? Okay, assuming that what you want to trade is BTC market, just come to this place now, click on that BTC. Okay, finally it has loaded. So now if you keep scrolling down, you will be seeing the various coins and their performance so far. They are ranked according to their performance. For instance, the number one here is still that Land, followed by QKC, REQ, GNT, and then you keep going down. Now, as a smart trader, you shouldn't be trading a coin that has gone as high as 23%, 17%, 12%, 9%, and the rest of it. No, you have no business with this place. I am not saying that it's not possible for the coin to still increase in price again. There is still 100% possibility for the coin to increase, but then you shouldn't be taking such kind of blind risk. You don't buy green candles. Okay, so it is better that you keep scrolling down, check out those coins that haven't gone far. And as you're checking out, also remember what I said, that volume is very pivotal to your success as a trader. So as you are checking, also be looking at the various volumes. The Eternity has about 20, the volume is 26 BTC, and KMD has 54 BTC. Okay, so as you are looking, also be paying attention to the volume as well. Okay, so that is it. I think from here it's okay. It's okay if you decide to be selecting some of the coins you think you can trade. Also be considering the volume as well. Look at this, is NXS. The volume is just 4 BTC. That means they can artificially pump this coin at any point in time. They can artificially pump and dump it. So you should stay clear of these kind of coins with a very small volume. Okay, I wouldn't be trading a coin that has such a small volume as just 4 BTC. I'm not saying a miracle cannot happen, but then I think I'm a conservative trader. There are some risks I do not take. Okay, so you can just pick it, then put it as one of your favorites to be monitoring it. As you are monitoring it, be looking at the volume. If you discover that there is a spike in the volume, or rather that there is an increase in volume, you can decide to trade it, buy it, and then wait. But then remember, you do not just buy. You now have to do your technical analysis, check out if there is any news on their social media handles, particularly on their Twitter accounts, because that is where they always release news. For instance, this NXS, when you click on it, you will see some information about it. Okay, let's just look at it. Okay, NXX, I'm clicking on it now. Okay, they are just bringing the chart for us. Okay, let's go to info. Okay, to understand more about it, just go to info. This is info. Go to info. Okay, let's see the information about it. Nexus, it is a 173 coin on coin market cap with a market capitalization of 13 million. This is the market capitalization of 13,448,541 dollars with a this is the circulation supply. This is the maximum supply, and then the total supply. Issue date is 2014, September 23rd, 2014. Issue price, they didn't indicate it. Okay, you can as well see more information on the netplorer.io, but that's not what I want us to look at. Okay, you see introduction, they gave some introduction about Nexus, an open source blockchain, blah blah blah. Okay, you can read this one at your own convenience. Okay, alright, you might equally decide to visit the website. Is when you now visit the website that you will now get further information about the coin and also their exchanges, their social media channels, to know if there is any news and upcoming news that could spike the price or that could lead to a price spike. Okay, so these are the things you always consider. Okay, remember that one thing is look at the volume, and secondly look at the price. Do not buy a coin that has increased rapidly in price, that has increased tremendously in price. Rather, as a rule, I only buy coins that have maybe done about, for instance, coins that have gone about 0.60. This one is 0.60%. so if I was to trade, I would be looking at these ones. I'll be looking at these ones that haven't increased tremendously, and then I might decide to still scroll down and also look at these ones, the ones on red. I would be looking at I will equally take a look at the ones on red too, and then maybe after I must have selected with a good attention of the volume, maybe when I look at it, if I think is good, for instance, this is let's look at this one. This is power, POWR. This is power. Okay, I could just decide to favorite it. Where is the favorite is when you come to when you open the very coin you want to look at, you want to analyze. There is this is favorite, this thing that looks like star here. Okay, so once you click on it, you've made that coin your favorite. What it means by making it your favorite is that you can always monitor, like you're always monitoring it. Let me make this my favorite now. Okay, I've made it my favorite. It has changed to yellow. Now if I go to my home page, let me go back again and go to trades. This is where I want to go to, and go to trades. Let me mark it. This is where I want to go to. If I go to trades, it will be there for me. So I will not rather mark. If I go to markets, it will be there. Then if I go to favorites, they will show me the ones I've put as favorites. You can see power. Remember, I made power my favorite then. So look at it here. It has already come out here as my favorite. So I can always look at it. I can always monitor it, know if the volume has increased. Then look at the price. Is the price increasing? Then I might now still go further to do my technical analysis. Remember, this app does not give you the good platform you need to carry out your technical analysis. Yes, it has its shortages, it has its shortcomings. So I either use taptrader.com for my analysis, or I use tradingview.com, taptrader app, or I use tradingview.com. So is when I now analyze what my chart tells me that will make me to decide whether to buy or to sell. Okay, so that is it. They still continue. So this is just the brief introduction of how you can always know when to buy a coin or what coin to buy. Remember the lessons we looked at. First of all, look at the volume, and then look at the price. These two things are very, very important. And then now look at your charts. Okay, you mustn't trade, or if you look at a coin and you think is good and you just want to be monitoring it, just come and make it your favorite. By making it your favorite, you're keeping your eyes on it until it has performed, or maybe it has reached the standard you're looking at. Remember, the standard you're looking at also has to do with your TA. When you do your technical analysis, when you analyze the coin and you are sure it has reached its support zone where you can buy, so these things will now help you to decide whether you should buy or you shouldn't buy at that particular point in time. So I hope this video has been able to open your eyes and guide you on how to know which of the coins to buy, or to make the right decision on what coins to buy. I am a cryptocurrency trader. As I said, one of the things I do is to help people, either people who are trading already or those who are entirely new to cryptocurrency trading. If you wish to improve on your skills, or if you wish to start off trading, I can share my knowledge of this ecosystem with you. I have some tools that will help you to become a very profitable trader. When I train students, my emphasis is on becoming a profitable trader. I do not train students to become professional traders. My interest is on their profitability first before professionalism. So if you desire to improve on your trading skills, you can reach me through the link that is attached to this video description. Till I come your way again, I remain your friend and trader, Mr. Solution.